This is where I'm at so far, day 3. I got the topper mounted on. I got like some of the sides on, but the topper's mounted. I spray painted the frame a little bit black. Some of the sideboards on. I'm just using what I got laid around. That's why I'm got OSB, but I got some exterior paint. I'll go over that, caulking everything and, you know, seal it up. On these deals here, I'm probably going to break these the rest of the way out and put out boards or something. I'm going to do a little AC unit. I was going to do it through one of these, but I don't want it sticking out the side, so I'll probably mount it somewhere right here, blowing straight in between maybe 2 beds, on one on each side. And the back, since the topper kind of ended right there, I built these little boxes on each side. That way I can make a door that goes all the way down. I cut the bottom half like there was a bar that went across here, and I'll just, you know, extend this door somehow or put a new door on. But this is what it looks on the inside. When I was moving it around, I did get a little hole up there, but I'll just throw some caulking in that. But I might break out all these green windows and just put some boards there, because I have these windows here and these over here that open and close. But this is where we're at so far. You know, nothing special. And these side windows, these are good on this side, but they're just so ugly. You know, I started spray painting all the trim areas with black, and then I went and got some exterior paint, some Kills exterior paint, some special stuff. So And I'm going to do gray, so it'll be gray everywhere but the black there, the black here. I'm going to get, you know, my boards the rest of the way in, all the way around. I'm kind of just waiting to get a AC unit. That way I can see where, you know, I want to put it, how high, how big it is. That way I can put another board over here and kind of just build a box for it and let it hang out the back there, and get some metal brackets and build a little stand. That way it supports the weight of the AC. But yep, that's where we're at so far. I'm ending the night. This is day 3 of messing with it. I mean, I'm not spending all day, just a few hours here and there, but you know, it's coming together. And you know, I'll get back to you after I do a little bit more tomorrow, and we'll see where we're at.